Duol makedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC kanyakla kod jokanyo mamoko mawuok e pinje mamoko mag Afrika obago romo e boma ma Nairobi ka gitwak e yore makedo gi ohand luoko pesa. Jata tije ka EACC Abdi Mohamed noyawo romo makamano ayanga wawinjane kaka noloso.
There is all the possibilities that some of the monies that is stolen from one country can end up in another country. We've had our Tanzanian counterparts once in a while coming to us. We've been going to our Ugandan counterparts. Some South Sudan colleagues have also been following a few cases of theirs. So by bringing these people together, we first of all want to create what is called informal networks. Informal networks work better than formal networks because when you know someone across the border, it is easier for you to do an email and to request them to assist you before even the formal request is made.
Generally, of course, as a region, we are still not doing very, very well in the area of asset recovery, in the area of anti-corruption, in the area of money laundering, like you rightly said. But of course, Kenya has done so much better in the area of asset recovery as a region because they have this civil forfeiture, like Mr. Abdi was talking about, the asset recovery that they have just done with the previous governor, which is a law that is not in many other East African countries. But we are trying to benchmark with Kenya to see how we can encourage the other governments to use that approach because it's actually what you're most successful.